The open sea, a harsh mistress, relentless sun, unforgiving waves. The vast expanse of water stretches endlessly, a constant reminder of nature's power and unpredictability. Out here, on the edge of the world, the Navy stands guard. This is no 9 to 5. It's a commitment, a duty that transcends the ordinary. Every day brings new challenges, new horizons. This is a life less ordinary, a life where every action has a purpose, every moment is filled with significance. The routine is anything but mundane. This is a day in the life of a Navy officer. A day that starts with the first light of dawn and ends long after the sun has set. A day filled with duties, responsibilities, and unwavering dedication. Forget cozy beds and morning coffee. Here, comfort is a luxury, and every meal is a moment of respite in a day filled with relentless tasks. Here, the day starts before the sun dares to rise. Every second counts. Every decision matters. The early hours are a time of preparation, a time to ready oneself for the challenges ahead. Lives are on the line. Every choice can mean the difference between safety and danger, between life and death. The weight of responsibility is immense. This is not a job for the faint of heart. It requires strength, resilience, and an unyielding spirit. The training is rigorous, the conditions often harsh. This is a job for the brave, for those who are willing to face the unknown, to stand firm in the face of adversity, and to protect and serve with honor and courage. 0500 hours. The ship groans awake. No time for snoozing. Duty calls. Officers assemble. Uniforms crisp. Eyes sharp. The day begins. Physical training. Push your limits. Build strength. Build endurance. Teamwork is key. No one left behind. Sweat pours. Muscles burn. This is how you forge steel. Fuel the body. Breakfast is served. Quick and efficient. Every minute is precious. Then, the real work begins. Mission briefings. Study the maps. Analyze the intel. The stakes are always high. Every scenario accounted for. Every possible outcome. Training kicks in. Sharpen the skills. Weapon handling. Navigation. Communication. Always be ready. Always be prepared. Section 4. The heat of the action. Training and tactics. The sun beats down. The ocean churns. Training exercises commence. Simulations. Drills. Live fire. Put your skills to the test. Precision is paramount. Mistakes can be costly. Work together. Communicate clearly. Trust your instincts. Trust your team. Overcome challenges. Push harder. Never give up. That's the Navy way. Section 5. Down but not out. Unwinding after a hard day. As the sun dips below the horizon, the pace slows. The golden hues of the sunset cast a serene glow over the naval base, signaling the end of another demanding day. Dinner is a time for camaraderie. Share stories, share laughs. It's a moment to connect, to unwind, and to find solace in the company of fellow officers who understand the unique challenges of naval life. Build bonds that last a lifetime. These moments of connection are the threads that weave the fabric of trust and unity, essential for the demanding tasks ahead. But even in relaxation, there is purpose. Review the day, learn from mistakes, prepare for tomorrow. Each evening, officers gather to reflect on the day's events, ensuring that every lesson is learned and every strategy is refined. The life of a Navy officer is demanding. The responsibilities are immense and the stakes are high. Every decision, every action carries weight, but it is also rewarding. The sense of accomplishment, the pride in a job well done, and the recognition of one's efforts make it all worthwhile. You are part of something bigger than yourself. The honor of serving your country, the pride in wearing the uniform, and the commitment to a cause greater than any individual. You are defending your country. Every mission, every patrol is a testament to your dedication and bravery. You are making a difference. Whether in times of conflict or peace, your actions have a profound impact, shaping the world for the better. Section 6. Anchors aweigh. A life less ordinary. As darkness falls, the ship is quiet. The vast ocean stretches out, a silent sentinel under the moon's gentle glow. But the watch never sleeps. Eyes are always vigilant, scanning the horizon for any sign of danger. The Navy is always on guard, protecting freedom, maintaining peace. Every wave, every ripple, is a testament to their dedication. This is the life of a Navy officer, a life of sacrifice, a life of service, a life less ordinary. It takes courage, it takes dedication. It demands resilience and an unyielding spirit. It takes an unwavering commitment to duty. Every task, no matter how small, is performed with precision and pride. But for those who answer the call, it is the greatest adventure of all. The bonds formed, the challenges faced, and the victories won create memories that last a lifetime.